Hi everyone, I'm Ericka Champion Wise, an elite independent consultant with Paparazzi, and I'm excited you're here. This video, I think you're gonna like this one. I like this one. We're gonna talk about how to order. It's a question a lot of new consultants ask. How do I know what to order? How much do I order? How often do I order? It's a question that consultants who are working to grow their inventory ask. And so I hope this helps. Before we jump into everything, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Everyone needs to know this answer, right? So the first thing about paparazzi, which I'm pretty sure you already know, but I'm going to repeat myself here. We get new inventory every Monday to Friday, okay? Regular weekdays, Paparazzi corporate launches new pieces on our website so that we can order. We can order as many pieces as we want at one time. You can get as much as you want, but every Monday to Friday we get new releases, which leads me to my first point. You need to order often. Ordering only once a month is business suicide. Sorry. And frankly, even ordering only once a week is also business suicide. And I hear you now saying, I don't have the money. Well, I have some strategies for how to increase your sales. Go watch those videos. But I also have some strategies for how to take the money you do have and spread it over more orders throughout the week. Because if you're only ordering once a week or once a month, you are not getting enough variety, and you're not getting, frankly, enough, period, inventory to keep your customers happy. And if you don't have the pieces that your customers who love paparazzi want, they will go find it somewhere else with other consultants. I have had customers come find me and say, hey, do you have this? My girl doesn't. And I have it, and I make the sale. Okay, so inventory, just order inventory. So let's talk about this. The first thing is we do get new releases every Monday to Friday, regular work days. If it's a holiday, they're not open, we don't get new releases, okay? The second thing is you want to order in multiples of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. Anywhere there is a zero at the end there with that 10 round number, because for every 10 pieces that we order, Paparazzi gives us one free piece. It is free money. You can keep it, you can sell it, you can give it away. It is your piece to do with what you will. And the hostess rewards are super cute. Lots of them are super, super cute. Pieces, I've gotten pieces that have been sold out in the back office as hostess rewards. You can do what you want with them. I like to sell them. I do not have like a bag of hostess rewards that I make my hostesses pick from. That's just not the way I do things. And it's not very effective anyway. So I recommend selling those hostess rewards and making extra money. We also offer free shipping for $100 or more. Now, if you're ordering only $5 pieces, that's 37 pieces is going to get you free shipping. If you toss in Z Collection and Starlit Shimmer, it changes that number, considerably there. So $100 you get free shipping. However, I know that's why a lot of you only order once a week, because you are just determined to get free shipping. No, pay the shipping cost, okay? Order more often. I instruct my team to order 3 to 4 days a week, 10, 20, 30 pieces at a time. Why? As I said in the beginning, you need a variety of pieces for your customers. And if you only order once a week, you're only getting 40 pieces, and that's not variety. But if you order 3-4 different days, you get 20 pieces every day. That's 60 pieces. That's an increase in piece count. Plus, every day is going to have something new that your customers are just going to die for. So you're getting them new things to see. Now, you're only able to order 40 pieces, then you either need to break it up and order 4 days a week at 10 pieces each, or break it up where you order one day at 10 pieces, another day at 20 pieces, and then a third day at 10 more pieces. But you need to spread those 40 pieces over the week. This is an exercise in getting you accustomed to ordering more often. We have new stuff all the time. Why are you not taking advantage of it? The elite, I guarantee you, the elite order every day. I order every Monday to Friday and a lot of Saturdays and Sundays, because I know every Monday to Friday new stuff is coming out. And I want the newest pieces for my customers. I want them to have the most variety. I want them to have the most choice, because they're not going anywhere but me. And I buy everything. Okay, you need to order more often. You need to spread it out where you order 3 to 4 days a week, 10, 20, 30 pieces at a time. And I hear you saying now, but the shipping cost, it's $5.95. Okay, sell that hostess reward and you've just about covered all your shipping. That's $5. Sell the hostess reward and you've covered your shipping cost. Think like a businesswoman. Stop worrying about the cost. Instead, think, how am I going to recoup that cost? What am I going to do to get that money back? If you get 20 pieces, you're still paying $5.95 shipping, but you have 2 free pieces to sell, and that's $10, and so you just covered shipping plus, right? Think like a businesswoman, and businesswomen find ways to recoup, okay? Use 100% of your sales money to reinvest in your inventory for the first 30, 60, or 90 days. I give those 3 options because everyone has a different purpose. Everyone needs to reinvest for the first 30 days. Everyone, period. I'm sorry if you have bills to pay, but you want to grow a business, your first 30 days, you put every single penny back into this business. I don't want you taking any more money out of your household account. Your $99 or $2.99 or $4.99 was what you invested. The smart thing to do is to take all of the money you recoup from sales and put it back into inventory and grow your inventory that way so that you don't have to invest any more of your household income, right? We want our business to be self-sustaining. My business has been self-sustaining for 5 years because I reinvested my profits properly. 30, 60, or 90 days, depending on how big you want to go. 90 days is a silly short amount of time to not take profit. If you do the right things, if you do everything you're supposed to do and you reinvest in your inventory, by the end of 90 days, you'll be able to take massive amounts of profit. Massive amounts of profit. And 90 days is very short amount of time. I promise. So many people say my business has never been profitable. And my first question is, how much inventory do you have? Well, they don't have enough inventory to be profitable. If you will do this for 90 days, you will see profit at the end of it. I promise. Let your customers help you pick your pieces. This is more specifically for new people, more for new consultants here. Let your customers help you. One of the easiest things to do is to either ask them to go to your website and take some screenshots and send them to you, but some people are not, they can't do screenshots. It's okay, or they're not going to. However, what you can do is you can be the one to take the screenshots or download the pictures and share them with your customers and say, hey, would you guys like these? I'll never forget, I learned a lesson. This summer, we had these wooden stretchy bracelets that I would never, ever, ever, ever wear. It's not my style, and I wasn't going to order them, but I was like, you know what? I need to do this the smart way. So I downloaded all the pictures of those bracelets, and I said, hey, would you guys wear these? I ended up having to order 100 plus of those bracelets because all of my customers want them. And guess what? I don't have any bracelets left. They sold. Okay? So ask your customers for their opinion. And if you can do it so that you have the pictures and you post the pictures for them, you'll get a better response than asking them for screenshots every single time. I promise. And if you ever get stuck with stuff, keep showing it. Okay? Don't ever say I'm stuck with anything. Okay. The next thing is order at least 2 of the pieces you like. New consultants here. If you like something, get a second one. Because watch my video on the power of selfies. Selfies sell, and when you're wearing something and people see it, they're going to ask about it and they're going to want it. So if you love a piece, get a second one. As you grow through, if you love a piece, get a third one, get a fourth one, get a fifth one. It just all depends on where you are selling. Pieces I like, I get several. Because inevitably, when I put them on, someone is going to want them. This one today, someone watched my live earlier this morning, and I wasn't selling this one on the live, but she sent me a message. She said, I want the one you're wearing. Easiest $5 ever, just for wearing my jewelry, right? Always wear your jewelry. That's an aside. The next thing is order Blockbusters. These Blockbusters have been Blockbusters, most of them, since the beginning of paparazzi time. Some of them are almost 8 years old. Order them. They still sell. They absolutely still sell. Now, your current customers, your customers that have been with you for a little while, they're not going to order any Blockbusters. They're not. But those new customers, that's what they go for first. Every time I have a party hostess, I sell Blockbusters then, which is an aside for book parties, okay? Book those parties. But new customers order Blockbusters like it's their job. they sell. So if you're stuck on an order, order Blockbusters. You cannot have too many Blockbusters. You absolutely cannot have too many Blockbusters. The ribbon necklaces, not my style, not something I'm going to wear, but those puppies sell. Order Blockbusters. Okay, and that leads me to the next one. Order things you don't like. First of all, it keeps you from keeping everything. It's a paparazzi problem. We all want to keep everything. I get it. I'm in the same boat. But I intentionally order things that I'm never going to wear so that I am assured to sell them. And then be flexible is my last point. Be flexible. Your customer base is going to change. My customer base has changed dramatically over 5 years, and it will change more, and it will continue to change and grow as I change and grow, as I attract new customers to me and I keep the old ones. So be very flexible. Do not be rigid, do not be stuck, and don't you dare get upset when a piece doesn't sell out immediately. Put your emotions back up. Just tuck them back in there. It's not about you. It's not about the piece. It has nothing to do with you. That piece just wasn't designed to sell today. So get up tomorrow and show it again and show it again and show it again until they sell. There is a piece for everybody, and everybody has a piece. I promise. And if you give up too soon, you've shot yourself in the foot. Last thing. Only order inventory from your back office. I don't care if it's your best friend going out of business. Do not buy her inventory. Do not buy inventory from strangers on the internet. Only order inventory from your back office. Hear my heart here. Ordering inventory from anywhere other than Paparazzi is dangerous. You don't know what that inventory really looks like. You don't know the condition it's in. You don't know how old it is. You don't know if it smells. You don't know if it's wet. You don't know what that inventory's been through. No matter what a person tells you, they can stretch the truth and change the stories, right? Paparazzi protects you. Paparazzi offers you a buyback, not a buyback, a broken piece return thing. Now we have online returns. Paparazzi gives you that protection, but only if you order through your back office. Do not get yourself in trouble by buying someone out. If someone's going out of business, they need to have a going out of business sale and sell off their pieces and go. Do not buy their inventory. Protect yourself, protect your investment, be a smart businesswoman. So I hope this helps you. Hope this helps you figure out the process of ordering inventory, especially as a brand new consultant. It is fun and it gets very simple. Do not overthink this. This is fun. We're buying jewelry. This is fun. Do not overthink this at all.